All right, folks, check it out. We've got an absolute flood. Again, it did this last year. And yeah, it's crazy. You see all that water? It's going way down there. I got to be careful. I don't want to plaster my phone number all over YouTube. I've got signs up and stuff down here. But look how much water's coming out. It is a massive amount. Look. You know what I could do? I didn't even think about it. I could actually dig a little ditch here, put a culvert in, catch that water, and just let it go right into the creek. I didn't even think about that. The creek right there. It's exactly what I could do. Yeah, I was going to ask you what I should do with it, but that's it. It's a simple fix. Look, it's just coming up out of the ground here. Now, every time we get a lot of rain for a really long period, let's say 24 hours of just steady rain, good heavy rain now, it'll do this. And look, it's not coming out of the rock. It's not coming out of the side of the mountain. It's coming out here, right here. And so I guess you call that a massive wet weather spring. There is a ravine up here. I don't know. I don't know where it's coming from. I mean, it's just got to be a spring. I just have no clue. So, yeah. We're down here at the road, folks. Busy road. Especially right now. Everybody's coming home from work. Look. It floods the property. It's a river down through here. Of course, I mean, it ain't gonna, even if it was graveled, it's a slow moving. It'd be okay, but. So I'm gonna dig a hole, fill it with rock, put me a 2-foot culvert under the ground and pipe it all the way over into the creek. This is what we got here. Mike's River. It is just crazy. Well, yeah. Crazy. This happened last year. It happened last year, but it was doing it there, but it also, this creek flooded. My culvert got huge culverts, very long, but it's cleaned out way more. It kind of cleaned itself out, but yeah. So it's cleaning itself out. I'm so thankful for that. I don't know now. 2 beavers got hit by a car right here. It's been over a year ago. They were living right here. I believe on the other end of this culvert, several culverts, but the other end of the culvert system, the beavers were living there, and they actually built a dam in the culvert, which built up dirt, and yeah, crazy. So that's doing good, but this is not. So I'm just gonna divert this into the creek with the culvert, or whatever. If I'm not gonna drive over here, I can do it with just rock. All right, folks. So I don't know. So you tell me, what is it? You see how tall the mountain is? It goes way up there, and yeah, we own that property up there. So it only does this when it rains for a really long time, and that it's a good rain. Is it a spring? Is it a wet weather spring? Is that what you would call this? I mean, I know what a spring is, but this situation is a little different. It only does this when we get a rain like we had the last 24 hours. They actually closed school down today about 1 o'clock. The whole county and other counties as well, I do believe, because of the floods, because we've had floods here today. I don't know, folks. I don't know. What is it? What is it? What would you call it? It is coming out of the ground. That is crazy. Yeah. So I am wondering if that is a spring. Then I am wondering if it's coming from way up there and it is a spring, it's got to be clean water. So I am wondering if I dig really deep there, if I'll always have water. We're gonna check it out. We'll see you.